how to record a static video, also known as a front camera video, using Potion's Chrome extension. Once you install the extension, go in Chrome, open any tab you'd like, and click on the extension icon. You'll see the options you have in Potion Chrome extension that you can use to record videos. For a static video, click on the static video option. Your front camera will start and you can record your video. You can even use the teleprompter feature to read from a script if you wish to do so. I'm going to start my recording. Hey there, I'm just recording a static video for a demo. Click on the stop button. If you want to do a retake, you can always click on the re-record button, and for now I'm going to click on the save button. Let the video upload in the background. In the background, Potion will automatically create a preview GIF of the video, and once the processing is complete, a new tab will open up that shows all the options that you have for the settings of this video page.